Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to download the Chrome Offline Installer MSI. First, open up your preferred web browser and go to the official Google Chrome website. Once you're on the website, scroll down until you see the Download Chrome button. Click on that button, and you'll be redirected to the download page. On the download page, you'll see a drop-down menu where you can select your desired platform. Choose the platform that you're using, such as Windows, macOS, or Linux. After selecting your platform, you'll notice that the download button will change to Download Chrome Installer. Go ahead and click on that button, and the Chrome Offline Installer MSI will start downloading. The size of the file may vary depending on your platform and the version of Chrome you're downloading. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your computer's Downloads folder. Double-click on the file to run the installer, and the Chrome installation process will begin.